oldest daughter of Earl Eferia, Sila Eferia. I am Countess Canary. Mr. Wertzna has asked me to assist the two of you. Ah, she's talking about General Artson. I guess even if we have undergone training, he must still be very concerned. This is the first banquet that's introducing your relationship with each other. If possible, the two of you should stick together and not leave each other's sides. Also, Princess Alania is over here. Please come with me.
Greetings, First Princess Elena. Special Task Squad Captain Julius Rizar at your service. I am grateful for the invitation to the banquet.
I should introduce myself. I am Countess Eferia's daughter, Sila. Greetings, First Princess Elena. Thank you for the banquet invitation.